Good afternoon, my name is Maria Alejandra and I'm gonna show you things you should keep in mind if you travel to Spain. To travel to Spain, you mustn't have a visa, but you need other requirements such as you must have a passport, you must have a return plane ticket, you must have justified accommodation documents such as hotel reservations, you must have documents that justify the readiness of your own economic resources, and travel medical insurance covering the period of stay in Spain. At time of being in Spain, you should take into account some customs that you can follow. Spain is one of the countries in Europe with the highest number of tourist robberies, so you shouldn't have much cash in your wallet to avoid having a bad time. Move on buses and trains. These are the easiest means of transport to use in Spain. If what you want is faster and with a little more comfort, you can do it in the trains that offer you a fast and safe route between the cities of Spain. You should pack a jacket. Although Spain is generally a country of temperate climates, things can change that drastically without warning. In the same week, you can experience a sunny day, another with wind, and suddenly one very cold, so it's important that you pack a jacket. Don't touch the fruits. In Spain, it's frowned upon that the customers of a greengrocer touch the fruits before buying them. So, if there's a seller, he will make the selection for you, and if it's self-service, you must put on the plastic gloves that are available and take the fruit directly if you touch it before. Majority of age in Spain, you are allowed to buy alcoholic drinks and drive if you are 18 years. This is what you must keep in mind to want to go to Spain. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.